Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show how to efficiently and effectively manage changes in your database using source control. We see here we have a ticket in Jira. We're working on ticket 5. So now let's make changes in the database. We'll create a table and we'll name it Happy Monday. And then we'll change a procedure. We'll call it Monday. Now let's switch over to dbMaestro's source control platform. When you hit refresh here, dbMaestro knows that the procedure was changed from "this is a demo" to "Monday." You can also see that the table was added here. We'll title this "This is our demo," and now we just commit. We can do this on a shared database, in a sandbox, or anytime we're online. And we can see that we committed successfully. Everything looks right, so we just push. So now let's go back to the database. You can see we have a change 22 seconds ago, and all of the changes are documented. This is in our Bitbucket, obviously connected to GitHub, but dbMaestro supports all of the repos from Azure DevOps, Oracle, or whatever you're using. But now let's consider multiple users. We can pull changes from any other database too. So if we have 2 users working on 2 different databases and these objects are missing, dbMaestro can create the code and generate scripts. Here we see the change procedure at the top as well as the added table. Then we just press Generate Script. That'll provide the code to merge the changes into the database. And if there's any conflict or any discrepancies at all, you'll see it. You can also see the history of all changes. This is the latest one, but you can scroll up to see all historical changes as well. We can also build the change from any version to any version. Get the code from label X to label Y automatically. Now let's take a look at the merge script. Here's the script for create table, and the altered procedure script is beneath it. So the team then only needs to press apply script, and it's updated in the database. 3 clicks to push it, 3 clicks to pull it. All the teams are in sync, all automated, and changes are effectively and efficiently managed. 2 teams are now in sync in the database, and it's all automated. So that is dbMaestro's source control product in a nutshell. To see the next steps, such as how dbMaestro then runs a CI process, as well as an impact analysis prior to running the CD process, please see dbMaestro's DevOps for Databases tutorials.